Hello guys, this is Ranmay here from Rankwatch. Today we'll be covering two important modules, which is the reporting section. Everyone must be quite interested in knowing how the reporting looks like with Rankwatch and how you can customize the reports as well, because that is the need of the hour these days. So apart from that, we'll also go about looking at the agency dashboard. So we also call it the CEO dashboard, wherein you can gauge the overall progress of all the projects that you're tracking with Rankwatch platform. So let's get started with the reporting section there. With Rankwatch, there are a lot of flexibilities in terms of how you want to share the reports with your clients. Now, when we talk about reports, scheduling the reports is an important part of it. I'm pretty sure that you all must be sharing reports either with your management or maybe with your clients on a weekly, fortnightly or monthly basis, depending on your agreement with your clients or maybe with your management. So with Rankwatch, you will not have to take any more headaches when it comes down to sharing the reports with your management or clients whatsoever. I'll quickly show it to you how you can schedule the reports, and it will automatically be sent from your email ID to your clients or maybe to your management's email ID without you having to do it manually. So if I click on schedule reports, I will land up on this particular page, which will help me schedule my reports, and from there on I will not have to take any headaches in terms of sharing the reports with my clients or my management. So if I click on schedule reports here, it will help me schedule my reports as per my convenience. So on this particular tab, you can select the particular website for which you want to share the report with your clients or your management, the particular search engine for which you want to share the report. You can select further sub-URLs, you can select tags like we have explained earlier in the ranking overview section. The reports can be shared either in a PDF or in an Excel format. You can select any particular template which you want to share in that report. Beyond that, you can further customize it. The frequency, let's say if you want to share a monthly report with your client, you can select the date, on which date you want to share the report. Beyond that, you can also select particular time. So we cater to all the time zones across the globe. You can select a particular time zone and also select the exact time on which you want to share the reports with your clients or with your management. You can further select the date range and check if you'd like to have this report automatically sent. So when you do that, a pop-up will appear wherein you can put in your email ID, beyond that your client's email ID, the sender's name, a subject and thank you message maybe, which you want to share with your client. And now once you have done that, you can schedule the reports, and the reports now will be automatically sent from your email ID to your client's email ID without you having to do it manually. So isn't that so convenient for you when your reports are being shared automatically without you having to do it manually? Now I'm pretty sure that a question might arise about customizing your reports as to what you want to share with your clients or with your management. So Rankwatch gives you a lot of flexibility on that front as well. So you can create your own template and customize it as per your requirement. So let's try to do it right now live for your assistance. So once you're on this page, you can customize it further or probably white label it using your brand name, your URL in the footer, and Rankwatch will appear nowhere. So we help you share 100% white label reports with your clients, and you can put in your brand name, you can put in your URL in the footer. Like I said before, there will be absolutely no mention of Rankwatch anywhere. So once you have done that, once you have put in your logo, your URL in the footer, let's move on to the introduction tab. You can put in your company name here, you can put in your subtitle, report display text, the table of contents, if you put in any particular summary as to how this report is, about how this report is going to look like for their reference. Now let's move on to project stats. Now this is where the game of customization begins. So all the modules which you can see on the left will be there in the reporting section here. Now if you want to customize this report, you can absolutely do that. So let's say if you do not want to show the backlink count here in the brief report section, all you got to do is switch it off, and this particular backlink count information will not be included in the report. So like I've told you earlier, you can customize it to the T. All the modules that we have covered will be included in the reporting section. If you want to show something, you can. If you do not want to show something, you can switch it off, and Rankwatch will not include it in the reporting section. So these are all the pointers that will be present automatically in the reporting section. You can customize it as per your requirement. Analytics comparison, you can compare the current data on a weekly, monthly, yearly basis. Let's say if you have done a fantastic work and there has been a significant progress since last 1 week or month, you might want to show the comparison there so that the client understands the importance of your work. Beyond that, competitors information is also included in the reporting section, obviously, because that is very important. The backlinks report, it is pretty extensive. If you want to customize it further, you can do that. Complete link detail, additional ranking reports, additional ranking history. So the way I look at it is it is very comprehensive in nature. If you want to customize it further, like I've told you earlier, you can absolutely do that. Now beyond that, you can put in a closing message there, a thank you message maybe to your client, and you can click on next and save it. So this particular report, you can further schedule it like I've shown it to you earlier, and this report will be sent out automatically to your client without you having to do it manually. So that is more or less about the reporting section. Few important pointers here, guys. You can schedule your reports, you can customize it. So we give you the flexibility of sharing 100% white label interface reports wherein you can promote your own brand and Rankwatch will appear nowhere. So that is it about the reporting section. If you have any questions for us, please feel free to write at support@rankwatch.com. Now let's move on to the agency dashboard.
Hi there guys, this is Akash. I'm going to take over the agency dashboard section for you. Now agency dashboard on Rankwatch is all about the consolidated reporting of all the projects that you are tracking in your account. There are 3 important key features that you would like to see on your agency dashboard section. Number 1 is the segregation of all the keywords ranking data from all the projects that you are tracking in your account, and we have made a division of it based on the ranking blocks. Number 2 is the division of your projects on the basis of its performance. So critical, there are 18 projects right there. These projects needs your attention because most of the keywords under this project are ranking greater than 100. Limited projects, well, if you do get time, take a look into it. Maybe you can down extra effort and bring it to a better position. Achievers, 18 projects are there. You might want to celebrate. These are the projects under which the keywords are ranking way better than the other 2. Top gainers, top losers. The data is based on the average ranking of different projects, whether it has gone up or down. Now the third key feature here is the project listing. Suppose if you have more than 100 projects, it will be very difficult for you to go one by one and check the listing of it, check the total number of keywords, how many search engines you are tracking upon, what are the general statistics of the website. All hassled up. You come down to agency dashboard section, probably give a search here of the project that you're looking for and check a brief data of it so that you can have a better judgment what to do with that project, how you can probably narrow down, how you can manage the number of keywords that you are tracking within your account. So this is all about agency dashboard section. It's really simple. Just give you a bird's eye view of the entire project that you're tracking. As always, if you have any question, mention it into the comment section below or send it to support@rankwatch.com and we'll get back to you. I hope this video was super informative to you. Let's get cracking on those reporting sections that we have just discussed. Stay tuned for more clips from us. Have a great time. Bye-bye.